What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be replacing a leaky brake cylinder in a drum brake system. Stick around and watch to the end of the video. As you can see, this brake cylinder has been leaking for a long time now. Everything is wet. This is our culprit right here, that brake cylinder. Now start by taking photos of the assembly, just to know which spring goes where and what goes above the other. It's just a good practice to do it. For me, I have the full video to watch back. Make sure you stay organized and know which spring goes on which side, the right side or the left side, the front side or the rear side, on top or on bottom, just so it won't be intimidating when you're putting it back together. Now I know they've made some special tools for drum brakes, but if you don't have them, you can get away with common hand tools like I do. Now make sure you keep in track with the handbrake assembly and the self-adjuster. Now here's the troublemaker. Look at the air bubbles coming out of it. Great. Looks like we have to deal with some rounded bolts too. Now you make sure you use your fancy cigar lighter to heat up the brake line so it won't twist. Note, you should never use open head wrenches on brake lines. Never do that. Now it's been scientifically proven that metal shavings inside of your brake lines enhances your braking performance. Sarcasm, ever heard of it? Now after a long fight with that puppy, we managed to take it out by using a chisel on the threaded side of it. And you know, the bolt goes right into the threaded side of this cylinder from the downside. As you can see, we chiseled that open and then pushed the bolts out. We didn't have any luck riding them out from the outside. This here is a new part, new to us, at least from the junkyard, that we're gonna be replacing it with. Side by side they look the same, so good to go. You make sure you take your bleed screw out because it might get hung by the backing plate, which could cause it to break or clog or anything, so just for safety. it was a hassle to put the cylinder back in. This is a problem with this make and model. In other cars, it might be way much easier. Okay, now the old piece had E8 Torx. We're gonna put 10mm bolts, which have the same thread pattern as the E8 bolts, so it's much more common. And now it's brake clean time. Who said you need special tools to work on brake drums? All you need is two greasy thumbs. When greasing your self-adjuster screw, make sure you wear this special glove. This glove was found at the crash site of a UFO at the north side of Area 51. drum brakes, keep loosening the adjuster screw until you feel a little bit of a drag from the shoes hitting the drum. Then back it off a couple of clicks, so when you press on the brake pedal, it's not too far away to hit it, but it's not dragging all the way on the road. You're not pressing on the brakes. Now, this is an alien that we found near the glove. Now it's time to bleed the brakes. Make sure you bleed the four corners of the car, because certainly it pushed air through the system when the brake fluid got low because of the leak. You start from the furthest to the nearest with respect to the master cylinder, which goes like this. If you have a left-hand drive car, you start with the rear right, then you go to the rear left, then to the front right, then the front left. Okay? just like that, we've reached the end of this video. Make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel, because you don't want to miss on the epic content that's gonna be coming out soon. Thanks a lot for watching, see you next time. Peace.